Yes, we won. Actually, he should have resigned way earlier. Someone is okay. He is one of my subscriber, I guess. So he is with the white pieces. I think he is going for the London system. That is so like for sure. I know it's a London system. By the way, I am going for the Nimzo Indian defense. That is what I think is good in this condition. We'll just attack in the middle. Hmm. Now we'll attack the bishop as well, and also forcing a pawn fork. So like he should move his bishop. If he tries to, okay, he didn't. Instead, he okay. This pawn could become a weakness. This pawn can definitely become a weakness. It's just that I need to get rid of my own pawn. I can like first of all I'll play. What should I play? I'll play this first, hitting on the pawn as well. If I takes, I want to make this pawn little bit of push ahead because this pawn could be a weakness for my opponent. Okay, he's trying his best. I'll capture. If captures, we have recapture. Everything is defended. I'll first go for castle because I don't think I should make a rush. It's just that if he went for a castle, if he by chance went for a castle, there is a move like this, and then we have a skewer. So I am waiting for this. Let's see what my opponent is waiting for. I can also play rook e8 and then force. Okay, yes, we have rook e8. A forcing pawn fork here. No, it's not a pawn. Yes, it's a pawn fork. Yeah, it's a pawn fork. So, like, okay, he understood. We'll just attack it. Okay, okay. He gave up on this pawn. He gave up on this pawn. I'll capture. Like, if takes, then I'll capture, of course. Not in the beginning. Okay, he didn't. I'll capture this knight. And now I want him to capture this rook, but let me check what can I do. I'll play this, keeping an eye. Okay, nothing is going to happen, I guess. I'll just play h6 so that it won't get a back rank. Okay, he's saying something. Hi, can you play e4 and win the rook? I am in a video. Hey, hi, can you play e4 and win the rook? What is he trying to say? Am in a video. Have I missed something? क्या मैं कुछ भूल गया तो मेरे को ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा. Like can you play e4 and win a rook? कौन सा e4? Which e4 is he trying to? But I can't play e4. I have e5, e4. Have I missed something, or is he trying to say something else? I wish I had a bishop here. I wanted to make a skewer, but this can't happen. Huh? He blundered, I guess. He blundered. I will take it. So he's asking once again. I'm with the e4 right now. We have e4 right now. The Sicilian defense. I'll play knight f3. Alpin variation. That's the Alpin delayed, I guess. Just take. Like after this, he will develop his bishop. I'll defend this pawn. Develop the knight. I'll defend it. Queen d2. Now we just attack the bishop, which is well placed here. It's just a kind of a very good mechanics. I guess let me check. This is not hanging. This is not hanging, but I will still defend it. Oh, yes, that's fine. I'll just no, I don't care about it. Just defend this pawn. I want to place my knight there and attack this knight as well. That is my like. If this pawn comes to, if I thought so, I'll just attack the knight. I'll simply block the center. I don't even want, like, he is going to attack this. I don't care. Take it, bro, take it. I don't want my bishop right now. I even want my queen. Okay, he is trying to open up something. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Okay, there is nothing to worry about. I can simply place this, right? And then we'll attack this knight. So he is pressurizing this, but I don't think there is so much to worry about it. We just push the knight away. Knight has to go back. I could take, but I don't want to take. I wish this was just attack the bishop first. We have rook c1 as well, trying to go for some kind of crazy attacks. Oh, knight can simply sit there, but yes, then I have to take it. Okay, so there is a series of chained sequences, I guess. Okay, he went back. Oh, he trapped his bishop. He trapped his bishop. He trapped his bishop. Oh, he didn't trap his bishop on purpose. Shall I? Yes, I can. Now this knight is kind of in a problem. I will take this knight and then, yes, taking this knight is a good option. And okay. It's just that I'll play this and I'll also attack the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, what do we say, bishop. I could have taken the pawn as well, but I don't want to become greedy, too much greedy. This is not a good move, I guess. He defended. I'll attack. Okay, no, this will be a kind of a problem. So instead, what I will do, what should I do? It's just to offer a trade here, because that is the best thing I could do, and then I will try to attack it. If he captures, we capture. There is everything is fine, I guess. Captures, that is good thing. If you have sacrificed any one of your pieces, guys, don't let anyone take your queen. Please just don't let anyone take your queen. So it's like we have a bishop and we have a 2 knights, so I should use my knight somewhere. I could play this defending. It's fine. Just need to, like, this knight can be a problem. I have to move this knight somewhere like this. Trading as much as pieces as you can if you are ahead in the material. That's what the best thing you can think of. If you are ahead in the material, like the bishop, okay, nothing happened, I'll capture, don't worry. And then I'll play rook c8, rook c7. If he plays somewhere like this, rook c7 is my move. I have 2 knights versus a bishop. I'll definitely win this game. There is no chance my opponent will stand against me. I have this. Okay, I don't want to capture. What can I do? If he takes, I just take. Let me just move forward. Oh, he can't move there, right? I wanted to mark a fork. No, I can't mark a fork. How can I mark a fork? It should be something where like this. Okay, just move forward. Oh, there is a fork, I guess. Oh, damn it! I just hanged something. Damn it! I don't care. Oh, I should, I guess. He missed. Okay, some at some point of time, like you should be very careful. What is it saying? Hello, 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 bro. I'm actually playing, so I don't. Calicrom, what I'm like? Hello, bro. I'm actually playing, so I don't think I can respond. Guys, attack the bishop. Attack the bishop. Then this pawn is actually hanging. Yes, bro. Live recording. We capture. If he captures, if he not, like after this way. I think. Eh? Oh, we just defended square. It's fine, I guess. It's fine. It's fine. I thought I am gonna lose this game, but it's fine. First of all, we have to capture this pawn. He might try to attack this pawn. Just capture. That's actually the rook pawn. That's actually is a rook pawn. So if he even if he play this move, we just sit back. Check. We just attack the pawn as well. So my opponent doesn't know what is a rook pawn. In one of my endgame series, I have covered this. My opponent just doesn't know what is a rook pawn. So it's just that we won, like, okay, we won. My opponent wants me to play another match, but I can't because you played a game featuring Sicilian defense. I have played a lots of game featuring Sicilian defense. Why is he tagging me right now? We have my favorite opening, I guess. Bishop c4. We have f5, the Russo gambit. He's saying anything again? No, he's not saying anything. That's the Russo gambit, my favorite opening line basically against the Italian system. I have covered one more video, like more than 10, 50 videos against Russo gambit. I see this you were playing in the yeah, it's my favorite against Italian. If my opponent plays knight g5, that will become I think he did some kind of blunder. I did some blunder. I should play knight f6 first. I'll make there is no problem in this. There is no problem in this. Have I did some kind of mistake, I guess. So after this we capture, he capture. The bishop is kind of a hanging, I know, but I could play this, defending it, defending it, defending it. Everything is defended. Doesn't really matter. Now we have d6 as well. Knight this way can not do anything, I guess. Maybe can do because then I will play this. This, and then this may could. Okay, so if I play like after this move, maybe this will happen. If I play this, maybe he will take. We have a check here, and then what else? What else? What else? What else? He is trying to attack it thrice, right? So what if I attack it once more? Yes. What if I attack this queen? If he try to check, will take bishop check, king moves away. Rest, nothing will happen. Oh, okay, he did something away which I can call a good move. He is trying to invade the property. Um, what can I do? If I capture, this will not be a good option. If I capture, that is simply not a good option. If I play this, he will try to attack, but this will not change anything because there is no fried liver incoming. But if I go for a check, we have this maneuver. We just don't care about it. मैं ना कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's fine, I guess. Knight to this f7 does not make any sense because rook f8 is on the way. Bishop check on f7 does make sense because king f8 could be one of the option. But should I play king f8? Okay, he went back. He went back, guys. He went back. If he went back, maybe he is trying to do something else. And what is he trying to do? Maybe he's trying to attack central pawn, but I will defend it. Maybe should play. Okay. Okay, let's just go with this. If this occurs, I thought so. We'll just attack the rook. Knight captures. Knight captures. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't. No one captured. So what else? After this move, we have this. Okay. Just defend it. Maybe this will occur. Okay, I thought so. Just place the knight to this square. We have bishop. We have like this. Okay, it's fine. I'll go for a queenside castle. It is much more secure, I guess. My queenside castling is much more secure, so it's fine for me. I'll play rook f8 and then attack. Which is this. If this occurs, we'll move forward because that will only lead to destruction of his own castle. When are you live on YouTube? I don't do live, guy, bro. I don't do live right now. It's due to my college. SUSS. I record whenever I get time. So he is trying to attack. We just capture. We'll just attack it once again. Okay, I shouldn't capture. I should simply block it, but then we have en passant. I think that's not a good option. Queen moves away, right? Is he trying to attack this way? No, he is not. Just do this. Solidifying. Maybe knight is stuck, but then I can play this. Maybe like this and then knight ko reroute. We can do somewhere like this. If I capture, will it make any sense? Because I don't think this will make any sense. This pawn is just a weakness. I can double up my firepower. Okay, he is trying to attack there, right? Like after this maneuver, we'll just defend this square. Now let's see how is he planning to come. For instance, I'll play rook 8 also as well. I just want to make sure nothing could go wrong. He's asking me, you see, checkmate. What do you think of me, bro? I'll just attack this pawn. He can defend it, definitely. He can defend it definitely by placing this, but then that would simply lead to ruining of his all the pawn structure, and also he has to leave his knight's protection. So guess what? There is no good way to defend this pawn, I guess. Thank you, bro. Thank you. The best move, maybe the best move is this. Uh, I should not get distracted by all these things. Why is he playing this? There is no sense of playing this. Should I do something? I could play and I could take, and then this is a good option for me as well. Now he has defended it, but then he dropped the knight's defense. Meanwhile, this pawn is hanging as well. So what is the best move here in this condition? It's just that this pawn is kind of a pin, right? So this pawn can't move forward. He can't take even this pawn. I am like sorry. I should play this and then attack the pawn here because that is undefended, and then we can play rook f8, attack this pawn simultaneously. Best move can be this, but then he will drop this pawn as well. But I don't think I should take because then rook will simply attack. Okay, he defended it. Rook f8 attacking this pawn. Now this pawn is kind of a hanging. He dropped the defense. I want to do something good. What can I do? What can I do? There are very good pawn chains. These two pawns are doing nothing. So what if I play this and this, and if I this, like after this is with this check here. Maybe if this pawn could simply get diverted from all the spaces, I could jump there, or maybe this way as well. These are good options for me. I will play this and then attack this pawn as well. But if I took the pawn at c3, maybe rook, and then this pawn will be hanging with a check, and then this pawn will also hanging. Oh, he is trying to go for this. I should take. Rook captures. I'll attack the rook. He defended it, but then this pawn is hanging, so I will take it first. Now this pawn is hanging as well. He should play this, guys. He should play this, else he will lose this pawn as well. Okay, he lost this pawn. Now this pawn is definitely hanging. He can't do anything. Like there is nothing he could do. Nothing he can do actually. Just done. This match was good. He is fine. पाँच मिनट Oh, he is 13-year-old. Oh, damn it. Am I bullying a kid? है 5 साल का बच्चा 1600 1700 पे bro, a 3-year-old kid is GM as well, so it depends on person to person. You are fine, just focus on end games. So he just lost multiple pawns. He's going to lose multiple pawns. There is no good way to defend this pawn. Just he can't even push this pawn. There is nothing. Like the rook is now trapped. The rook is definitely trapped. Even if, like, of course, the rook can move back. But if I play, okay, the rook is now trapped, and it's just that I'll do this. All of my pawns are just interconnected, so there is no need for me to worry about it. So do you know what is like is he asking, do you know what is fox in the chicken coop? Do you know what is this? Fox in the chicken coop. The moment he moved there. Okay, he will not, I know. There is an end game rule, Fox in the chicken coop. So first of all, we'll go there and then try to lure the king. Oh, no, 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 no. Uh, what the hell I did? Chalo. Finally, we have the checkmate incoming. Chalo, just mate. Okay, that was a good match, I guess. He's challenging once again, but guys, my family has arrived and I can't move forward. So sorry. Okay, but definitely इसको मैं लिख देता हूँ. Bye bye. Time to go now. People have arrived. So the moment people comes in my house, I can't shoot anymore. So this is the limited time I have to shoot. I can't shoot now. Family does not allow. Yes, family doesn't allow me. I'll say him thank you for the match. I'll upload it tomorrow or maybe today. Tonight लिख देता हूँ. Tonight will be fine. Okay. So guys, that was all for today. This was the speed run. Now we have reached 1372. So that was a fine match. I hope you will also reach someday. Till then, take care.